Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to review some glasses for you from Firmoo. So I've ordered glasses a couple of times from online websites before, and I've really sort of become addicted because I like having lots of different styles to play with. So I was recently contacted by Firmoo to do a review in exchange for a free pair of glasses. I did a video a while ago just reviewing some glasses I ordered on another website, and I really have enjoyed my experience ordering glasses online. It's been very, very easy. You just upload your prescription and then you get sent the glasses based on your prescription. So the online ordering experience for Firmoo was very, very easy. I just went to the page, chose my glasses, and uploaded my prescription so that they can just do it all for you. So you don't actually have to do anything. You don't have to even fill in your prescription. In fact, they do recommend that you upload your original prescription so that it is the most accurate rather than filling it in yourself. So without further ado, these are my glasses. So they came very, very quickly, and they do come from China, so I was expecting it to take like forever, but it didn't. I think it was like less than a week. Okay, so I've just been checking my phone. I ordered these on the 22nd of January, which was the Monday, and I received them that Thursday on the 25th. So that was very quick postage. I think they did give me the express postage from memory. So I'm just gonna open up my package. By the way guys, I know I have a very dramatic eye look today. I just filmed a Lady Gaga inspired Grammys look, so that will be up very, very soon, so look out for that. So I've just opened the case, and straight away I've got the Firmoo bag over here. This feels very nice, very good quality actually. So I'm just gonna open up the bag. Okay. Oh, there's a few things in here. What do we got? What is this? What is this? Oh, I have no idea. Something silver and screw-like. I think it's just like extra screws for your glasses. Straight away, I love the case. It's like a map sort of detail. So it says Firmoo on there, and it feels like good quality. It's quite solid, and it's got, yeah, like a world map pattern on that. That's so cute. Okay, ooh, they look nice. So I ordered a pair of clear frames because I've been wanting clear frames for ages. These are them. And I'm very sorry about my ring light, but I've got no other choice in terms of lighting. Straight away, they feel really good. They feel very heavy, good quality. They don't feel like plasticky or cheap. So I'm just gonna pop them on. Ooh. I like these a lot. I'm just gonna turn this ring light down for you so that you can see me properly. I am really digging these glasses, guys. Like, really. So straight away, I am really digging these glasses. I think the cut is so pretty. They look exactly like how I did when I tried them on online. So you can upload your photo online, and then it puts the glasses over the top of your face. And these are so amazing, and the prescription feels great. Like I can actually see when I normally cannot see. I love these so much. They sit really well on the face. Oh my god, I love them. I'll just show you a close-up. I've just taken you over to the window. I'm holding my big camera with just my hands, and it's so heavy. But these are the glasses in more like natural light, so that you don't have the big ring light in the way. I'm absolutely loving these glasses. Like, holy crap. Love the shape. I think they sit well on my face. I actually really like it with this makeup look too. I think it looks very like sophisticated. How gorgeous are these glasses? So I am obsessed with these glasses. I'm very sorry about the ring light. I need to sort out lighting for like when I do glasses videos. And my first impression of them is excellent. There's very mixed reviews on their Facebook, but I think they did a really, really good job. I'm very happy with the packaging. I think this case is adorable. I think even like the little pouch that they give is really good. And then the bonus of having a tool. I really wouldn't know how to use this tool. So I'd probably leave that to like people that actually know what they're doing. But it's really good that you get like extra screws and everything to go with it. I just went outside and took a bunch of photos of myself with these glasses on because I'm just that vain. If you guys do want to get yourselves a pair of glasses too, I will put a link down below. It is an affiliate link, but it does give you $4.95 per glasses. So you only pay like $5 per pair, and that does include the frame plus the standard lenses. So if you want to get anything extra, you just add it on as you check out. These are just the standard lenses and the standard frames. So that is exactly what you're getting. And I can see that's pretty much all I wanted to talk about. That is my review of the Firmoo glasses. If you guys have any questions, please let me know. I'm happy to answer anything that you have in the comments down below. If you guys liked my video, please give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more from me, let me know and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Love you.